Okay. We're going home from New York.
Carol, 3 minutes, truck 4.
Okay. Oh, I know I can. Can you guys? We're going home.
You're wasting my battery.
It's okay.
Not okay.
Let's go down from there.
It's so hot.
Uh-oh.
3 minutes because I know I can come off 4 miles an hour.
4 miles an hour. On the treadmill she can.
Can you make it, bro? Truck 4, right there.
Or it can-
I don't think we're going to make it, but we could try. We got 2 minutes. We
Huh?
can do it, girls.
If we don't make it, we'll come back.
2 minutes.
Here we are.
We could do it. Where's bro?
All right, hold the door. Brooke, go, 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 go. I'll go first.
15 West Branch, Street 132, 432. The Reserve Vehicle Service of Route Spring.
Put your knees up, girls. We got it.
At 7:30 now.
Oh, is there any room? I did.
First 3 cars will be empty up there. Walk up.
This going to Hamilton?
Yeah.
Thank you. Let's go in here. Here's seats. You want to sit here? Oh, down here, guys. There's plenty of room. Oh, where is her?
Don't need to stand in the back of the train. 20 seats in the front. Walk forward for seats. Walk forward for seats. You got no need
Oh,
to
yeah, there's
stand.
plenty back here.
Walk forward for seats, please. Oh, there you are.
Come on, come on.
They lost you.
All right. Keep going. Excuse me. Sorry. Excuse us. Yeah, there's plenty. That's what he said. Where do you guys want to sit? Right here? Right here? Right here? Where do you guys want to sit? How about here? We can run forward. Okay. Oh, let me sit on the outside, sweetie.
That'd be a pain.
Okay. We've arrived. We made it. See? I knew we would. All right. Say bye.